Hi, I'm Andy and I'm here with Milwaukee. Today we're going to talk about 5 things you may not know about the M18 high-speed flexible shaft machine. Let's talk about the machine capabilities. So with this machine you can clear clogs from 32mm to 110mm pipe diameter, and that's up to 23 meters down the line. You can clear from gullies, manholes, rainwater lines and interceptors. All those areas that you can't get your jetters to. This machine comes equipped with a mechanical clutch to help prevent binding. The electronic foot pedal allows me to operate the machine, keeping my hands free to feed the hose. The electronic foot pedal can be stored away neatly, ready for transportation. On some occasions we come across a stubborn blockage which needs to be worked slowly. The variable speed switch starts from 600 RPM all the way up to 2200 RPM, which I'll show you now. This level of control allows us to clear any blockage with maximum efficiency. This machine comes with a strong outer frame, telescopic handle, all-terrain wheels, making it easy for me to move around site. It's 1-key compatible, and the best part, it's powered by the M18 battery system. Let's take a look at the accessories available for this machine. It comes as standard with 4 chain knockers, sizes ranging from 32mm to 40mm, 50mm, 75mm and 110mm. Also available are 4 carbide chain knockers in the same diameters for metal pipe, as well as a penetrating head for opening blockages. The hose has a standard 8mm connection, which means it can fit other brands. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Milwaukee videos.